CES 2021 is in full swing this week, and we're checking out all the latest cord-cutting and streaming headlines all week long. On the hardware front, Roku and TCL have teamed up to offer a wireless soundbar option that both companies hope will make upgrading your TV's sound simpler and faster. TCL calls its new soundbar the Alto R1, and we're assuming the R here stands for Roku since it's got some Roku-focused features on board. The main highlight here is wireless connectivity to Roku TVs. The company says all you'll need to do is plug in a power cord, and then your Roku TV should guide you through the rest of the setup without connecting additional cables or wires. In addition to less cable clutter, TCL says the R1 should improve ease of use since you can control its features directly using your current Roku TV remote. The Alto R1 is the first product we've seen that uses Roku's new wireless soundbar reference design, which was also announced here at CES 2021. And we'll keep an eye out for more options that leverage the design in the future. Elsewhere, TCL is also updating its range of TV options, including the new XL line. And unsurprisingly, the XL lineup focuses solely on extra-large screens, specifically 85 inches.
We believe that 2021 will be a big year for even bigger screens. We believe lots of shoppers will be choosing 85-inch screens for their home theaters this year. So, TCL is proud to announce a full lineup of 85-inch screen class TVs for our customers here in North America. The XL collection of 3 different models of 85-inch displays will feature performance levels for every kind of home theater.
TCL is offering a range of 85 inchers at a variety of price points here, starting with the $1,599 4 Series Roku TV. Later in the year, the line will also see an 85-inch QLED Roku TV and an 85-inch Mini LED 8K TV. The company's also introducing the next version of its Mini LED backlighting tech, something it's calling OD0. And like with the smaller components Samsung mentioned in its Neo QLED line here at CES 2021, you can expect thinner displays and improved image quality with this approach as well. And last but certainly not least, TCL is also updating its popular 6 series of Roku TVs. In fact, all new 6 series TVs coming out this year will be 8K displays. And yes, we're still a ways away from widespread native 8K content, but at least we're seeing the display technology continue to grow and mature. Prices and other specs haven't been announced just yet, but the company has a long history of pretty competitive pricing, and we'll definitely keep an eye out for those details. And of course, we'll have plenty more to cover here at the online-only CES 2021. So be sure to follow along at cordcuttersnews.com and right here on our YouTube channel throughout the week. And while you're here, don't forget those like and subscribe buttons. Until next time, I'm Philip Palermo. Take care.